Hello friend, this video I am going to show you restore the back button on your Android phone. Right now my back button is disappear and the navigation button is appear. Don't worry, I am fixing. First, open the settings. Once you are in settings, scroll down a little, look for the display option, tap on their name, open the display page. Scroll down again. After that, find the navigation bar option. Click on it. At the very top here you can see the two navigation button or swift gesture. To back the back button on your Android phone, this means restore them, simply click on the button option and you can see the pop-up button appear there. You can also customize them. To do it, tap on the more option. Here choose the button order if you like, first or second. That's it. How you can easily restore the back button on your Android phone. If you found this guide will help you, please subscribe my channel, like this video, share with your friend. Goodbye guys.